The highest common factor of 140 and x is 20. The lowest common multiple of 140 and x is 420. I need to find what x is. So, based on the first piece of information here, I know that 20 is a factor of x. Therefore, if 20 is a factor of x, x could be, so 20 goes into it, x could be 20 itself, it could be 40, it could be 60, it could be 80, it could be 100, and so on. If 20 is a factor of x, then it must be one of these numbers. It must be a multiple of 20. So let's just go through these. Which one could it be? Could it actually be 20? Let's compare it with the second piece of information. Could x be 20? Well, no, it couldn't, because if x was 20, then the lowest common multiple of 140 and 20 would be 140, not 420. So I know it's not that. Could it be 40? What would the lowest common multiple of 140 and 40 be? Well, the lowest common multiple of 140 and 40, well, 140, that could be 140, 280, 420. The lowest common multiple of 40, the multiples of 40 are 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280. So it can't be 40, because if it was 40, then the lowest common multiple of 140 and 40 would be 280, not 420. Could it be 60? Let's think about that. The lowest common multiple of 140 and 60, is that 420? So let's write down some of the multiples of 60. So 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, 360, 420, and yes, the lowest common multiple of 140 and 60 is 420. So the answer is 60. The highest common factor of 60 and 140 is 20. And the lowest common multiple of 60 and 140 is 420.